Facelifts. Introduction.
Smoking makes the skin age faster.
Select true or false.
Correct. During a facelift surgery, the surgeon can remove extra skin and fat.
Select true or false.
Correct. Facelift surgery improves the quality of the skin.
Select true or false.
Correct. Facelift surgery improves the contour of the neck and jaw area. Laser or chemical peels may improve the quality of the skin and help acne scars. The risk of infection and complications of anesthesia are common with facelift surgery.
Select true or false.
Correct. The risks of anesthesia complications or infection are rare, but they could still happen. There are no scars with facelift surgery.
Select true or false.
Correct. Anytime you have surgery, you will have scars. Cosmetic surgeons hide the scars in areas where it is difficult for people to notice them. In facelift surgery, the scars are located right in front of the ear, around the earlobe, up behind the ear, and then into the hairline. Sometimes there is also a scar underneath the chin. Facelift surgery stops the aging of the skin.
Select true or false.
Correct. Facelift surgery cannot stop aging. After facelift surgery, there is not much a patient can do to slow the skin from aging again.
Select true or false.
Correct. There are two things people can do to slow down the aging of skin. 1. Not smoking, and 2. Not spending time in the sun.
Thank you for using Explain.